What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the Bat Cave. Taking the 2JZZ would be perfect, but I don't think anyone's really gonna see this car out because as is, I know on camera it might look pretty clean. You can't really see none of the, flaws and imperfections on the paint, so it doesn't look that bad. It's not presentable to Kicks at least, so I don't even think I'm gonna bring this thing to a meet without getting it touched up, cleaned up, and wrapped. I already have a Nosatech on board with the wrap. I already chose the color. I already knew exactly what color I was gonna put on this thing, and I got my guys over at Premium. They're gonna wrap the Z. They are super local to me, so it just makes sense. And most likely, I will do like a reveal on it. I'm gonna get some new wheels and just clean it up, add a few things, and I wanna do an actual reveal on the car with everything on it, just the whole complete new look, and let everybody see the swap and everything. My boy only took this thing to like one Cars and Coffee, so this car has not had really any exposure. Your boy Kicks is gonna be that guy, man. I'm gonna be taking this shit everywhere. Little things bother me, so it's like I don't wanna take it out like this. I wanna take it out when it's presentable enough to Kicks. You guys already know, Z got low compression, motor's dying, but this shit still turns on and drives perfect. So we're gonna take out the Z tonight. We got a smooth like hour drive, so it is quite the mission, but should be all right. It's nighttime, the weather's cool. My favorite part, man, firing up the good old Z. Look at the fuel system right now. I don't know why, bro, I love it.
One eternity later.
Hey, is that fresh, Kicks? Crazy, it literally looks like my old setup. I miss a 15, man. It's coming back soon. All right, guys, we made it. What the hell? The Heliante? Nice, nice. Gotta love a black R33. Oh, shit. Hey, my boy got the Extendo Tommy on the side. Okay. The Bel Air. Alright. That's clean right there. My son. Hey, the fitment hitting right here. Yeah, tell us gotta get out of here. You guys already know my boy with the 2J. This thing has a DCT trans now. Crazy. Don't race it. KCR. Shit is clean. Got Ron's R34. Beautiful. Sitting pretty on the LMs. Finally some JDM cars, man. Getting tired of BMWs. Nice R34. Got another one. The S5 Tizzle. Ah, the Corgi. You guys seen this before on the channel? Sheesh. Where are all these 15s spawning from, man? I was thinking about doing these headlights on mine. I don't know, though. I don't know. I like the OEM ones, too. Damn, I missed my shit. Okay, the Heltima. Little R34 over here in the cut. The yellow is popping. Nice. Classic, man. Bro, this is insane. Old M3. New M2. Look at how massive this shit is next to this. Like, why did the cars get so big? This is a nice ass M5 right here. In my honest opinion, I gotta say this looks way better. This is cool, but I don't know, it's starting to get too futuristic. This still looks like a BMW to me. Shit's nice. It reminds me of my 340 low-key. Sheesh, this guy's out here bagging with a single turbo. How about that? And we got Finding Nick. He'll be finding lips soon. Damn, dog. He's had that thing for like 2 business days. Another 15. Beautiful. Gotta love a clean E92. This one's nice. Just rolled by a little bit ago. Got another G87. Damn, all over Joey. Big body M8. Alright, that's how you feel, huh? Gotta love a black STO, man. Mean. It's just so loud. Ah, damn, dog, what happened? He said, by all means, I'm getting to the beat. God, that's just so loud, bro. Of course, man, the Z always looking good, never fails. Honestly, I don't know how this car just always looks so good. And like, it's just a wrap with some wheels. Fucking Nismos, man, Nismos. All right, player. All right. Now check this out, though. This is actually pretty sauce. Nice, nice. Let's see what we got over here, man. We got some Evos. This is bringing back haunting memories. I know all about that. Sheesh, this is actually nice. I always love this blue on the Evos. Paint is clean too. Very nice. Sheesh. He ain't playing games, man. Got another Evo. Nah, don't make up. Nah, don't make up. Check the rear. Sheesh. Okay. Everybody's pretty much rolling out, so it's about that time. We up out of here, man. To have the new motor in here. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be a monster. And yet another successful trip in the Z that never lets me down. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference in sound versus like my old setup and the new setup now. The manifolds are a lot bigger, and bro, the sound that this car makes now at like higher RPM is orgasmic. This car has always sounded good, even like with the stock headers, it sounds great. But now that I have those custom PPE manifolds, headers, whatever you want to call them. I mean, this turbo car is supposed to call them manifolds, but some people don't understand, so headers is a better term. And the crazy thing is this car still pulls and feels healthy. It's just down on a lot of power right now. Obviously a built engine is not going to last forever. You know, this thing was built around 6-7 years ago. Clearly it was a good build because the only thing that's wrong with it is just the compression's low. But man, if we had good compression in this engine, bro, this car would be a rocket. Like, it's probably down like 150 to 200 wheel right now. Like now with the newer turbo, I'm running a 7675. We have the new turbo manifold, we have the new exhaust manifold. Should be good for like 900 to 1000 easy. But the only thing that stopped us was the engine. When we get the new engine in this car, this shit is going to be insane. I am excited, bro. Like, you guys already know, this is my favorite car. Like, nothing's ever gonna top this car. It's been so good to me, man. I've literally had this thing for 10 years. Shout out to the Z, man. You've always served me well, and you're just great. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's probably gonna be a little short, so I think I might just continue it a little bit later on. But for now, we're gonna be out. So we got a Chazzy meet going down tonight. He's doing a collab with my guys over at 405 Motoring. Dude, look how immaculate this shit looks. Motherfucker got the moon in it. This yours is hard. It's probably my favorite Lambo color, no lie. There's your Tome, sir. Is that my 340? Somebody started the 340 up. Okay, little F80 on the chrome stocks. Xavier pulled up.
Is that a Tommy?
Wait, what's Super Saiyan right now? It's the turbo that has a car. My boy won the paint competition tonight. A little champagne. Alright guys, I haven't been filming in there because it's like stupid loud, so shit just gonna get demonetized anyway. Okay, that's how you feeling? Got that thing in hybrid mode.